A very warm good morning to my all lovely children. Dear children, please have a smile on your face always because you are not fully dressed without a smile. And if you will have a smile on your face, your parents, your teachers, and even your relatives, they will also be very happy. So, in today's class, we are going to learn about essay writing. Essay writing, it is our own ideas about a particular topic. And before writing the essay, if you had given any topic, we have to think about that topic very nicely. And it includes different parts like introduction, body, and conclusion. So, about these three parts you will learn in higher classes. In this class, you will just simple learn about essay. Here you can see a beautiful house, and this house is decorated with lights. So, with the help of the picture, you may know that what essay today we are going to write. Yes, my dear students, you all are right. Today, we are going to write an essay about Diwali, and I hope so that you all love Diwali. And as you already know that festive season, it is already started. Nowadays we are celebrated Navratras. After Navratras we will celebrate Dashera, and after that we will celebrate Diwali. So it is a festive season. I request you all that you enjoy each and every day of your life. So let's start about essay, how we will write that. I just want to inform you that before writing your essay in your notebooks, please you can paste or you can draw a beautiful picture of diya, or even you can draw or paste the picture of candle also. And I know that your notebooks are with me, but tomorrow your parents will come to collect the notebooks. Sorry, today. So let's start. The first line introduction we will give that Diwali is one of the biggest festivals celebrated in India. In India, we celebrate different festivals, and India is also known as a land of festivals. Why it is known as a land of festivals? Because in India we celebrate many festivals. So because of that, India is known as a land of festivals, and it is known as Deepavali. Diwali is known as Deepavali. Third line we will write, it is celebrated in Kartik month of Hindu calendar. Hindu calendar is a different calendar that is according to Hindus. In that there are different names of the months. Like I can say Kartik, Shravan. So different months are there. So according to that, Diwali is celebrated in the Kartik month of Hindu calendar. And now the question arises that why do we celebrate Diwali? We celebrate Diwali because on this day Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. Exile means vanvas. For 14 years he went to exile means vanvas. वो जंगल में गए थे, and after completing 14 years he returned to Ayodhya. In this picture you can easily see that everybody welcomed Lord Rama, and on this day Ayodhya, that was decorated with lights and diyas and beautiful flowers for everything. So we celebrate Diwali because on this day Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya. And as you know that festival, it is very enjoyable. So on this day children burst crackers. I think you also love to burn crackers. Everybody love to burn crackers. Here in this picture you can see that they are enjoying Diwali and they are burning crackers. And it is the victory of good over evil. Good over evil means हमारी जीत थी बुराई पर अच्छाई की. And we give sweets and gifts to each other. We lit candles and diyas to decorate our houses. And on this day, people worship Lord Ganesha and Goddess Lakshmi in the evening. And I hope so that you all have seen at your homes that on Diwali you also worship Lord Ganesha and Goddess Lakshmi at your homes. The last line is given, Diwali brings us closer to our near and dear ones. It is a very lovely festival and it is my favorite festival, and I hope that it is your also favorite festival. So these are the 10 lines that you have to write in your notebooks in a neat and clean handwriting. Okay? Yeah, very nice. Thank you and have a nice day. Have a smile on your face. Have faith on your own. Bye bye. Have a nice day.